Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to create a game lobby in Climber Animals Together. Let's begin by hitting the play button, then hit create lobby. Now you can enter the lobby name. You don't have to. You may leave it blank, in which case it will be your Steam name's lobby in the game browser. And then I will, for the sake of demonstration, name it test. Now you can choose whether to allow only friends to join your game, and then simply hit create lobby. You may need to hit it a few times for it to actually create it. I noticed that some buttons in the game interface have this problem, but as you can see, I'm now in game. That's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.